Oh my goodness! Was that just so much fun? It was! You're so cute. What you gonna do up there, baby? That's a good idea. You should work on that some more. You haven't worked on that in months. There you go. First bite's always the toughest. Deciding where to put that first little divot. Oh yeah, now we're on a roll. No? No, we're not on a roll. That's fine. If you're not in a creative mood, you don't have to work on that. You can do whatever you want to do, little man. Oh, back to the dumbbell.